In some cases, you may want to cancel an order and get your money back on 1688, or maybe supplier is out of stock and you were asked to place a refund. And in this video, I will show you on how to easily cancel an order and place a refund and get your money back completely on 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. After you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to go ahead to proceed with your profile. Click on here. So it's going to take you right here. So for every product that has not been shipped, everything is going to be found right here. So click on here. Then go ahead and take a look at the product that you want to refund. Like this particular product right here, the supplier asked me to place a refund for this particular product because there was a wrong order right here. Now, once the supplier assures you that you can go ahead and place a refund and get your money back, next thing you need to do is to click on here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and then click on here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed. Next thing you need to do is to click on here. And instantly, your refund is processed and successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to close this pump up. By the time I refresh the part, the product will no longer be found right here, just like what you see right here. Click on here to go back to your profile. Go ahead and track your progress of refund. Then the product is going to be found right here. For you to be sure that the refund was successful, go ahead and check your Alipay, or if you use your bank card or Visa card to make payment, go ahead and check your balance in your bank card or your MasterCard or your Visa card. However, if you make use of MasterCard or Visa card for payment, it might take a very long time before the refund will reflect back on your Visa card or your bank card. But in this tutorial, I make use of Alipay. So I will go ahead now and exit from my 1688. Go ahead and open my Alipay. Then here we go. You can see an alert of 38 yen into my Alipay. I'm going to go ahead and click on here now. Then proceed to notifications. So here you go. You can see a refund notice of 38 yen from my 1688 account. It's that simple. So this is how to cancel an order and get a refund from any supplier on 1688. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China using 1688, pinduoduo, Taobao, Alibaba, AliExpress, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.